What's up, everybody? This is Carolina Mike, your host for SharePoint in 60 seconds, where you can get the information you need in the first 60 seconds. And if you want a step-by-step run-through, stick around because we'll walk you through it step by step. Today we're going to try something different. We're going to let the SharePoint picker wheel, SharePoint/Teams picker wheel, pick something for us to talk about. Let's take a look at what we got here. We got team sites, we got Microsoft Teams, views, alerts, lists, libraries, site pages, communication sites. I think I already said that. So here we go. Oh, Microsoft Teams. Alrighty then, Microsoft Teams it is. Stick around to find out exactly how you can lock down any channel in Microsoft Teams so that only the owners are moderators and only owners can post and reply. Stick around.
Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.
Alright, let's hop to it. Let's get the timer. Basically, you're going to go to any channel or create a new channel. You're going to go triple dots, you're going to go to manage channel, and you're going to turn channel moderation on. Ba-bam! You just did it. You just locked it down. Alright, so I'm pretty sure that was under 60 seconds, but you'll let me know in the comments if we made it. So let's break it down step by step. And before we do that, let me take a moment to say thank you to everyone who's watched in the past, liked and subscribed, all that jazz. If you haven't subscribed, now's your chance. Click that subscribe button, hit the bell notification so you can know as soon as new content is available. Let's get on with it. Maybe you need to add a new channel because you want this one, you want to create a moderated channel. So you can hit the triple dots, add channel, add your channel, right? Okay, and we're going to go to the moderated channel and we'll show you how to turn it on and off and all that jazz. It's manage channel, triple dots, manage channel. Here's your switch. You flip it off or you flip it on. So in the off state, everybody can start a new post. That's great if that's what you want. Or you could say everyone except guests can start a new post. So that way you restrict your guests from starting new posts. Whatever you want. But let's say you need to really lock it down like Fort Knox. Then you're going to go to on. Now check it out. Who are the moderators? Team owners. And here's what you get by default. Allow members to reply to channel messages. Okay? So it's granting all these permissions, but you can pull them away. So guess what? Now members can't reply. So only owners can post stuff, but nobody can be talking back and forth. Maybe that's what you want. How about allow members to pin channel messages? If you don't want members to be able to pin messages, disallow. But want to allow bots to submit channel messages. If you want to disallow that, deselect. And allow connectors to submit channel messages if you want to prevent connectors. There you go. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Keep doing the best you can with what you got. We'll see you next time. Remember, SharePoint rocks, and so do you. Take it easy, y'all.
I'm a SharePoint expert. Play with data extra. Careful with my hands, cause I gotta use them for work. Yeah, I'm a big old nerd. I like maple syrup on my pancakes. I don't care what you heard.